channel. Thank you so much for watching my video. I know that I've been gone for quite some time, but I have been actually going through a lot of health issues. I have gone back to work full time for some of you guys that already know about this. And also too, I'm in the process of moving. So things are very hectic for me and I just am struggling. Your sister's struggling. But I have been missing you all out there. So I have been also keeping up with some of your videos. For those of you that you didn't see me on your channel, I do apologize. I'm trying to really get back into the groove, hopefully soon after I move, but also get to go to your channel. So when I do miss you guys, although I'm not filming, I enjoy watching your videos. So I also wanted to give those that were being so supportive towards me, thank you so much for the support. And I've gotten personal messages from you guys through my Instagram, which is awesome. Thank you so much. For those of you that have been supportive, as you do know, you guys have a special place in my heart. And also too, I don't only call you guys like followers or YouTubers, I see you guys as friends, family, and more. So I wanted to continue my 2018 resolution by giving these people shout outs. So if you guys don't know these people, you don't already follow them, please go ahead and follow them right now. For today's video, I will be talking to you guys about natural accessories. This video has been long overdue, guys, and again, you know, yeah. Anyways, quick question for you guys. How many of you guys actually struggle with skin issues other than acne? That would be me. Ever since I was a baby, as according to my mom, I have always struggled with anything that's not real gold. So therefore for me, it's very important that I actually find things that work. So things that work for me is gold, rhodium. So I shop a lot at Swarovski. I'm wearing their earrings right now actually. The other thing that I wear is anything that is gold plated. Other than that, it's just a struggle. And I have been trying to, I'm always on the lookout for natural accessories. And when I land on natural accessories, guys, I absolutely adore and love them. And today I have the pleasure of showing you guys this Yord accessory. Yord is a company that makes natural watches. They're made up of wood and they're super creative, super fun, and I actually love wearing it. The color of the watch that I got is ebony and gold. It's this beautiful, rich, dark chocolate color, and it pretty much goes with everything. You can dress it up, dress it down. I particularly like wearing it with jeans because I am a jeans girl. And in the back of the watch, the other cool thing is that there's engravings. It says Yord, and it says crafted, and it actually tells you the date that it was crafted. And it also says the Frankie series, born in St. Louis. Here it is right here. So I'm gonna put it on and show you guys what it actually looks like. It's weightless, and the clasp is the only part that actually has the metal part, and everything else is completely solid, natural, 100% wood, which it also does say that in the back of the watch. And here it is on my wrist. So right away you can tell that the watch is pretty big on my wrist. I do have small wrists, but as well, this watch is big, and I'm the type of girl that likes big or go home. I love big watches. So here it is. In case you guys were wondering where the word Yord came from, it's actually a Norwegian word meaning land or earth, which is perfect for their line of accessories considering that they use 100% natural wood. So the watch comes in a natural wooden box that looks like this with the J meaning Yord in the front. It's beautiful, it looks nice and natural, which is in theme with the style of the watches that they're going for. Right away when you remove the lid, you will see that I'm struggling a little bit because the lid actually has magnets. Very useful because if you were to flip the box upside down or anything like that, it won't fall. Actually, let's test it right now and see for yourself. As you can see, it doesn't fall, which is amazing. Mind you, if you are clumsy, this would probably be an ideal box for you. A little mini jewelry box. And I like the little cushion that it comes with. The little cushion actually says Yord right here on it. Inside the box, you will see this Yord little Frankie series. And what it does, it explains a little bit about the watch itself. It gives you a little brief history about the company, how they started, and what they're all about, pretty much. So the pamphlet itself also explains on how to operate your watch. It will explain each hand, what they mean, and pretty much how to set it up. And the other thing that I like about it, it explains the warranty. It also has a 1-800 number for you to actually call Yord if you ever need anything. There's another little card in here that actually invites you to share your photos on social media. If you do have Instagram, definitely take photos of the Yord watch and put this hashtag along with the photo for your chance of getting featured onto the Yord page. So this is really cool. Take nice photos, guys, and post. When you order your watch, you're supposed to actually print out a little measuring tape that Yord actually provides onto their website to measure your wrist. So with mine, my wrist is very small. I was very thankful that Yord actually had that on their website because my wrist is so tiny. I need a watch that is sized to my wrist because of that. Therefore, in this little baggie, they actually provided me with the extra links that they removed off of my watch. So here it is. So you will also get this if your wrist is actually smaller or whatnot. And then last but not least, they also provide this little cleaning cloth that also comes into the box, which is really cool. So without all the accessories, this is what the inside of the box looks like. The last thing I want to mention about the box was that there is a little drawer that it comes with like this. It is so cute. You can fit other things in here, so you pretty much can put all your accessories down here and then put the watch on top right here, and I really like it. People have made such great compliments seeing me wear this watch, so I'm already getting pointers as to what I'm going to get everyone for Christmas. I do believe that it will be such a good gift for everyone because the company also does offer engravings in case you guys may be wondering. Keep your eye out for that. There is a 1-year warranty on the watch. Click the link down below and enter for your chance of winning a $100 gift card. Okay guys, that was it for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time.